last time we created this part and we've done everything we're going to do to it, so let's go ahead and open it up from this point. And I know I explained how to export it. We're going to do that again, and then we'll take this out and print it. So let's right click on this and let's go to export. It's only one part, but if it was multiple parts that made up a larger part, we could do this as well. So we'll keep this as test part or test 1. We're going to export this as STL. We're going to go for binary. We'll just keep that. We scaled everything in inches. We want it to export in millimeters. The bamboo slicer is in millimeters, and we'll keep export resolution as fine. Let's go ahead and export, and then we'll go and save this in a file. So we'll go open, show in folder, and now we'll take that, open that up. Let's click on that and expand this out so that we can kind of look at it. There we go. We'll rotate that around. There we go. It's on the printer bed, just making sure that it's touching the surface. Everything looks good. We're going to print this in PLA. So we've got generic PLA selected. We're just going to use all of our generic settings. We haven't changed any of those other than support. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And we'll run a preview, and if it needs supports, it'll let us know. So let's go ahead and hit preview. Alright, seams object. Alright, so it does need supports. So let's go ahead and close that out. And we'll go into supports. Let's enable. And we're going to do only critical regions. Now let's run another test print. Alright, let's go to prepare. We've got that set. Let's do another preview. Alright, slice is complete. Alright, on that second preview, the slice is complete. So let's go over here and let's print the plate. The printer is ready. We've got the glue down. And let's go ahead and send it. Alright, so it's headed out to the print job. So it's sending the STL file out to the printer. Alright, there's the bed. There goes the camera. That looks great. That's what we want to see.
It just finished the test print. Now it's going through, it's checking it. So it's calibrating the extrusion. And then right after it does that, it'll do the first layer of the print. Right now, it's putting down the first layer of that part. Now, it's not going to be a very big part. And that was intentional, because this is our first one that we've designed in CAD software. So we're testing out the process of sketching and then extruding parts. And if we get this down, then we can start making our own parts.
So now the part is done. Let's go ahead and bring that out. There we go. Looks pretty good. And then we can clean the supports off. Looks like the supports came off there. I think that was the only area, this area here, because it didn't touch the plate, that it put down supports, and the supports came off. They're still on the build plate. Either additive extruding or subtractive, where we actually took parts away. So that's going to help us. Now we just need to get our measurements down and find a tutorial that kind of takes us through building other functional parts so we can continue to practice that and get it down.